Hello, good morning, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today, we're going to take a look at Urban Tea, a company based in China that has been opening stores in the US, and it's a distributor of specialty teas and baked goods. What a delicious combination. Now, the focus today is going to be on the most recent insight that Toggle has generated, which is highlighting that the momentum is due to rebound after the sell-off that we've had here, and that could actually suggest potentially quite a bit of upside to this name over the coming 4 weeks. In fact, as much as 28%. Now, in looking to see how that is, we're going to take a deeper dive into this insight. So clicking on the insight, we're going to take a look in more detail as to what exactly it is that we are analyzing here. So as mentioned before, the upside here would take the stock price all the way from 218 to 281, although the horizon historically, it's taken about a month to get there. As you can see from the confidence interval, quite a number of past outcomes have gotten there much sooner. And so it could be as short as 2 weeks or as long as a month. Again, the upside also could be quite meaningfully higher than 281. What you really don't want to happen is the price to get outside of this confidence interval and dip below the red line, because that would mean that the driver presumably is no longer momentum, something else is happening, and this is a good level to reassess your specific investment. Now, taking a look at why it might move, this is to really highlight the previous occasions when momentum was as weak as it is now, and you can see that it tends to be quite mean reverting. So previous occasions here, and here have resulted in a bounce back. It's hard to see in this chart because the stock actually has had some pretty funky price action prior to 2016. But the past performance chart is going to show us the returns from those episodes, and you can see that with the exception of some small negative returns, this really has been quite a case of one-sided risk. And so it's potentially important to keep in mind that this is based on only 5 past episodes that Toggle was able to study. And nonetheless, it's highlighting that this is an interesting entry point into this stock if it jives with your overall fundamental thesis and fits in your portfolio. This much for MYT. If you'd like to see more these insights more often, please sign up to our YouTube channel or even check out Toggle on toggle.global. But in the meantime, the daily brief should already be in your mailboxes if you subscribe to it. If you don't, you can do so at toggle.global. And we're going to take a deeper dive into AMC price action, which probably many of you have been following, and take a look at what that might mean going forward. Thanks again for your attention, and we'll see you again tomorrow.